guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Victoria Alexandra here. If you are new, welcome. So today's video is going to be on this Valentine's Day makeup glam, which was inspired by mmmmitchell. I hope I said that right. So yeah, let's get straight into this video. Alright, so the first color that I'm going to be taking today is Roxanne from the Jaclyn Hill palette by Morphe.
West winds.
Next color I am going to be taking is going to be Burnt Orange from the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I'm going to place that right above Roxanne. Now I'm just going to cut my crease. Alright, so for my lid color, I'm going to be taking the color Fresco.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
I probably messed it up. Okay, but I'm going to use this shade here. So to trace my cut crease, I'm going to take this NYX Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Bloom.
No, no, she wasn't ready. She wasn't ready.
Alright, so now I'm going to take the Vivid Brights liner in Vivid Blossom. Alright, so I had to finish the rest of that liner off camera because
the ghetto! The ghetto!
it was literally giving me anxiety, as y'all can see. You know, pray for me. For my lower lash line, I'm just gonna take this purple color out. I'm just gonna take Makita from the Juvia's Place Mini Masquerade palette. And that's the only color that I placed on my lash line. So alright, so the eye is basically finished, so I'm just going to do the rest of my face off camera and I will be back in just a minute. So this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share, hit that bell so you can turn on your post notifications and be notified every time I upload. I love you guys and I will see you in my next video.